Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to share your location on Facebook Messenger. If this video helps you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So at first open your Messenger app, then just choose the person you want to send your location. I'm choosing this one. Then just click on this plus icon and click on this location button. After tapping the location button, just select the location you want to send. Like I am clicking on this location button and just select the right location and tap on send location. So just tap on here. So this is how you can send your location in Messenger. Thanks for watching.